Hi traders, this is Triska and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below to get the latest updates whenever I release new videos containing my trades for cryptocurrencies, gold, and forex, utilizing Pipinit tools. For today, we're going to look at my charts for EURAUD under 1 hour time frame because this is where I took the breakout edge signal plus trend pro. So this was my entry utilizing Pipinit breakout edge signal, and also Trend Pro is also telling me the same thing. So for here, what I did is I waited for the break right here. So as evidenced by this break, and this was the retest, and the market starts to continuously make new higher highs and higher low. And at this point, it is creating a new high. So definitely, this could be a good sign that the market would want to continue the prevailing trend in higher time frame, which it has started to create since after the lower low right here, which happened last February. So as you can see, that the market since February has started to create a new campaign to the upside, and as of the moment, there's no indication yet that the market has stopped creating new highs right here. And there was no break on the higher lows, so therefore it would still want to do what it has been previously doing, and as manifested by your Trend Pro in higher time frames, specifically in H4, you can see that Trend Pro is on an uptrend. So therefore, when we look at our charts in smaller time frame, we'll be looking to trade in the direction of the trend after retracements happen. We can capitalize on short-term counter trends, but you should be able to take your profits easy, and you have the ability to detect if there is a weakness in that direction that you would want to capitalize on, especially if you're doing counter trend trading. So for here, for yesterday for my trade, so for Aussie, what I did is I waited for the break, right? But now it made a higher low. So right here, we are still waiting whether this would create a new high. But if you're going to look at our prevailing trend in higher time frame, we are still on a downtrend. So what I did is I entered a sell signal on a downtrend, and my trade yesterday, I closed it at a small profit or small loss right here because this was an indication of weakness for me. So what I did is I took my profit even if it's a small loss. Then before I waited to see a signal that I would want to continue to trade in the direction of the trend. So the counter trend, I don't expect too much out of it because a simple weakness will already give me a reason to throw myself out of that trade. So here, I utilize breakout edge and trend pro in 15-minute time frame with breakout edge as your signal right here, and trend pro is also telling you the same thing, which is a downtrend. So this is a valid setup for me in 15-minute time frame, and with this we are at a good position to enter because the swing for the placement of your stop loss is just near your entry. And as for your take profit, I'll be expecting that this will create another new lower low because of there's no indication yet that there is an attempt to go to the upside of the market. So if you're going to look at it, we'll be waiting for um, our profits to be realized. So what I will do is for me to get out early right here, partial take profit right here at the double bottom. So I expect that this will create a new lower low. And I will just adjust it along the way, observing what would be the reaction here of the market because usually it does react on this, especially when this is a support and it's the first time again that the market will reach that level. So therefore, it will gather a reaction. So we will observe right there before we close again our trade if we see a weakness in terms of the reaction of the market touching a support. But definitely, it will make a lower low. So I will just adjust this as I go by. So I will have to look at this trade for more in terms of adjusting my take profit. Alright, so that will be it. If you would want to get a copy of Breakout Edge and Trend Pro, all you have to do is look at the description below so that you will be directed to the link on how you're going to get these two powerful indicators. Also, if you want to experience fast execution, tight spreads, cryptocurrency trading, even over the weekend, all you have to do is sign up with their broker, which is RoboForex, and they're giving out a $30 welcome bonus if you sign up with them today. And also would like to invite you to our Pipfini Telegram channel where we will going to share with you on how we're going to utilize Pipfini tools. Alright? So see you again tomorrow for another financial market reviews.